sandwich, 2 of them. Let's do everything. Ham and vanilla iced coffee with cream.
Where's the fucking cream?
I didn't say extra cream.
This is fuck. Taste that.
Dude, it's literally iced coffee.
This is the most shit ass thing I've ever tasted.
It's probably the vanilla.
Taste it.
I did.
You did?
I mean, yeah, I would never order that shit, but...
What the fuck?
How far do you think it is from here?
3.5 hours.
What?
I lied. I forgot about that other half an hour.
So this is like a 5-hour drive.
We're gonna go to Swing Arm City, aka Caneville.
I blew up my dirt bike the other day, so all I get to ride is my 110.
How's Ethan? It's pretty dope on a motorcycle for a mountain bike rider. It's insane.
Holy crap, that's sketchy. Oh my, dude, every bump you hit, it loses slack and then just yanks on the front end.
Man, he just keeps going. Let's rally up the boys and go flip the pit bikes.
Hey Nick, did you fuck off?
Knew that one was coming. Knew that one was coming.
He's padding up for the sesh. This is how I pad up.
I don't know, Nicholi sucks at pit bikes, but he's been getting better.
Dude, I've been loving the pit bikes lately. I was mad scared the first time I came out to the yard on the Suzuki Beast right there. And I had to like bail on my first attempt. But since then, I've been making some progress in the yard, but I'm yet to hit the big blue kicker.
I think he's got it.
These
I
were your
already
thoughts.
took him to the hospital once this trip.
Get out of here, boy. Gotta protect that scar, you know? The propeller gave me the chop.
gainer. I'm gonna do a gainer.
A gainer?
I'm out of breath. I was that nervous. I held my breath for the whole 2 laps. It was sick though. Jumps are fun.
Yep.
Dude, that's fucking gnarlier than riding down it. So much gnarlier. I regret my decision. Let's go.
I think that was worse starting up there than if I just did it.
I know, honestly, man.
Come on, nice work.
It just fucking,
You
like,
just pinned it.
I couldn't like stand right there, so I had to just jump on and go.
Ready for this one over here now?
Yeah. Also go to the left, right?
Just go slightly to the left of the rut.
Okay. Yeah! Fuck yeah!
Ethan, you think Cole has any chance of beating you tomorrow?
Absolutely not. There's no chance. Put in lots of lap times, been going to the gym every day, getting my cardio up, runs every morning. A lot of those
We've been pushing
handballs.
our bodies to the limits, basically.
Track is sick, but I'm definitely out of shape. Winded, a little hungover, so it's not a good combo for this, but I'm still having a blast.
Woo! I'm spiked. This is too much exercise. He's eating donuts, so he's a little out of shape right now.
I've been drinking beers, pounding laps. Fucking sick, man.
There's one lap. I can't hang with these big dogs out here. I'm watching, learning, you know?
I know. I say we should go to the race.
Ready? Ready, Larry? It's too lit.
But we're out here and the most fun race of the day, the celeb class.
Let's go.
Fuck, that was gnarly out there. That was crazy. I think Old Man Twitch took it, or maybe Bierman.
Did your training pay off?
No, absolutely not. Last night's training made it way worse.
That was aggressive. I can't believe we survived.
How you gonna let the old guy win, dude? Like the first 3 laps, I'm like, how the fuck is everybody?